In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by opening device's settings and hitting display and brightness right away. Then scroll to hit font. And now my favorite part, you can finally adjust your font size to your eyesight. Just operate this slider to adjust it, and check out preview at the top to pick a perfect one for you. When you're done, to save your changes, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store to download your new app you wish to use as a default one. In my case, Firefox browser. Make sure your app is ready before you continue, and when it is, exit Play Store and go into Settings. Finally, scroll a tiny bit to hit Apps and select Default Apps. Now it's time to click on one of those sections to adjust it. In my case, Browser app. Tap on your new downloaded app you want to apply as a default. And when you're done, click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hey guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, open new message, new mail, or settings, whatever. You just need to open this keyboard panel. As you can see, you can also do it from here. Just do whatever to open this keyboard panel. Now mark settings. Here go to languages, mark add keyboard, choose the one that you want to apply. You can either scroll till you find it or in search area provided. Tap on done. And now we can remove unnecessary languages if you want to, or let me stay with both. And now this brand new language is applied. You just have to tap on this word icon if you have more than one language. If you have one language only, just mark settings and remove unnecessary one. As you can see now, when you've got one language, this icon disappears. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to block a number. So at first, open your phone the other. Now select more and click on settings. Here locate and open block numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors smoothly by using this indicator, or you can add some number manually by yourself. Just mark add a number and provide it here. Tap on OK, and that's it. From now on, this number is blocked. Whenever you want to remove the blockade, just mark cross icon, click on unblock, and also if you wish to switch off this unknown color blockade, just unmark the switcher. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to change the date and time. So at first, open the settings, then find and select additional settings, go to date and time, and at first switch off automatic date and time. And now you can choose it from the list, and then it's all the same with time. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is a Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on those icons at the top right corners to see all available options, and when you're ready, click on the best one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But now my favorite part, which is customizing it thanks to the same settings. Click on the same tiny icon, and instead of tapping on any of those themes, click on plus icon under My Themes. Tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. To adjust it, you can always edit it by going into the same settings, tapping on it here and using pen icon. Make sure to hit Apply again to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and tap on the Photos option over here. Switch your camera, manage all of those options and take a pic. It will be automatically added for you to send. If you want to pick photos and send them, click on the same icon, click on the chosen ones here, and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Then you can send them right away. If you can't find your photos though, which is a common issue, click on the same icon, scroll all the way down and tap on Folders at the bottom left corner. Over here you can pick all of your photos from Gallery app. Hold the chosen one to check it out, and to add it, click on it. You can do that with all of your photos you need. And when you're done, hit Done at the bottom right corner twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock, and tap on Fingerprint and Face Unlock section under Screen Lock. Pro tip: if you don't have Screen Lock, you won't be able to continue, because Face Unlock requires setting up Screen Lock first, which you can do by clicking on Screen Lock here. So now, after accessing this biometrics section, hit face at the top, enter your login method, and tap on Add Now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Google. Now tap on All Services over here. And finally scroll again, this time to access Autofill with Google. Now tap on Google Password Manager. I can assure you that if you use all of those steps, you will find it. Finally, hit Accounts at the bottom left corner. And tap on Add Password at the top to add a new one to your manager. If you can't see any of those options though, don't worry, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it and make those options visible, you need at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this switcher if it's not already on, next to Offer to Save Passwords, and when you are absolutely sure it's blue, go back and tap on any app you can log into. Log in and wait for the pop-up to show up. Select Save at the bottom right corner of it and go back to your manager. Now when you access it, you will see your new password and also Add Password option. So now you can finally click on it and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So at first, locate and open the settings. Then find and select security and privacy. Here enroll more privacy and security settings. Locate installation sources and mark to open. And now, smoothly by tapping, you can allow particular source, whichever you prefer. So that's it, that will be all. This is how you can allow installation from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and hit Add Emergency Contacts to pick all of your contacts you wanna add. Just click on a chosen one. Now to get rid of any contact from your list, use this icon right next to it, the remove one, and wait. Lastly, most importantly, you need to make sure this switcher next to Show Info when locked is blue. That means that this option is enabled, and thanks to it your contacts are accessible from a locked screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hi guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, find and select settings. Then scroll down and go to digital wellbeing and parental controls, and here we've got kind of basic statistics. If you'll tap on it again, you can get a bit more knowledge. So you can check screen time, notifications received, times opened, then you can check stats for particular app of yours, and here you can also check it daily or hourly. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and hit Clipboard icon at the top. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now my favorite part. To use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, just tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. The only problem is, it will disappear after an hour. If you want to keep it over here until you decide to delete it, you need to pin it. To do that, hold your text and tap on pin icon. Sorry, misclick. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can either click on Delete option right under the pin one, or you can simply hold your text and swipe it to the right. In order to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for Remove pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and wait for the second pop-up. In this one, you can tap on Remove and your search bar will be successfully deleted. So when I tap, mine is gone. If you want to, you can always restore it. Pro tip: to do it fast, pinch your device's display, hit widgets between icons and layout, scroll until you see Google, and when you find it, hold search bar under it. Google, search bar. Then drag it to the proper place on your screen, let go, and hit done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. I manage auto rotation on every device I'm testing, and today I will show you how to quickly enable or disable it on this Oppo. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one until it's white. Quick tip though, if you want to manage auto rotation much faster without opening Tab menu all the way, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Edit Styles in the pop-up, and then hold Auto Rotate and put it in a first row. Then go back. And now when I try to switch it on or off, I need to swipe down once, and I can manage it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Oppo Reno8 Z without the password. Okay, as you can see, I forgot my password and I'm not able to unlock the device. And now, what to do? We can do it on our own, but in the beginning I will also tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. And be aware that in the method that I'm going to show you, basically we lose all of our data, because we are going to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode. So have that in mind. That's a quick disclaimer in the beginning. So as you can see, I don't remember my password. What to do? We need to power off the device. Click the power button and volume up button and select power off. Okay, now to enter recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. When Oppo logo appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. Okay, now we need to select our language, select format data. Now we need to type this code, and now click on format. Okay, data formatted, click on OK. And now we need to simply wait until the device turns on, and the next thing we need to do is to set it up. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. If you want to take control over what apps send you notifications, here's how to do it. Start by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit Notifications and Quick Settings. Now scroll again to hit Manage All next to App Notifications, and select Recent at the top left corner to pick one of those sorting options. Sort by Most Recent Notifications, Most Frequent Notifications, All, or Apps with Turned Off Notifications. So when I click Frequency, I will show all my apps with most frequent notifications at the top. Now my favorite part, to block notifications from any app, just tap on blue switcher right next to it. And that's it. To switch them back on, hit the same, now grey one. If you want to manage more notifications options from chosen app, you need to go back and pick one here instead. Tap on it, manage all of those options however you want to, and to switch on or off app notifications, use this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So, at first, open your phone dialer and go to contacts. Choose the contact that you want to add this profile picture to, select edit and mark add picture. Now you can either open your camera and grab a photo straight away, or you can open gallery, pick the picture that you want to add to this contact, customize it however you like, and click on choose. Now mark save, and that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. And to create a video to add it, tap on Video here. Adjust all of those options. Record it, and when you're done, it will be automatically added for you to send. If you want to add already existing one, tap on it here. And if you can't find it, tap on the same icon once again, and this time scroll to hit Photos at the bottom left corner. Now find your video and tap on it here. When you're done, you need to tap on Done option at the bottom right corner twice. In order to create and add an audio file, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Create your recording, and when you're done, hit Attach. To select and add already existing one, this is a tricky part. Hit this plus at the bottom left corner. Choose Files over here. And then, most common question, if you can't find your audio file here, look for it in one of those apps by tapping on Audio at the top, or last but not least, by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and looking for it in one of those sources, like Downloads. Wherever you decided after tapping on your file, just wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. All you need to do is go into Devices Settings first. Now click on Display and Brightness. And last but not least, click on this switcher next to Auto Brightness to turn it on or off. Personally, I always leave it off because I like to adjust my screen manually in Tab menu. But if you want to enable it, just make sure this switcher is blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. I tested one-handed mode on multiple Oppo devices, including this one. To use it, you don't need any special apps or tricks, but you need to switch from 3 buttons navigation to gestures. When you're done, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then hit Accessibility and Convenience. Select one-handed mode. And finally tap on gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. When your switcher is blue, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. Now to go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, you need to locate App Permission Manager, which is the most difficult part for most users, because it's pretty hidden on Oppo devices. Firstly, you need to open Settings and scroll to hit Security and Privacy. Now it's time to scroll all the way down and tap on Privacy Controls. Finally, hit Permission Manager to manage it. Now my favorite part, just pick any feature you want to manage. Let's start with camera, just for example, and tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I want to go with from not allowed one, so I have to click on it and apply any of those options by clicking on the best one. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will pick first option, so I have to click here and tap on the back button. As you can see, after a few seconds, Chrome gained access to my device's camera while I'm using my browser. But you can always go back, many people don't know that. Pick any feature and find an app you wish to manage. So I will go into Contacts, look for app I want. Let's start with Edge. And instead of picking any of those options and going back, click Select CO Edge Permissions here and operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Oppo Reno8 Z. Start by going into Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Personally, I use this app every time when I'm recording to transfer all important data. When yours is downloaded, open it on both smartphones and set it up by clicking on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now my favorite part, you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And finally, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Oppo. Going back to Google, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to select any app though, after hitting send, you will have to confirm your choice in this pop-up by tapping on OK. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way you wanna use. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And then click on the Receive button to fully connect. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first open your camera app. Now enroll more options and here you will notice timer. As you can see, you can apply 3 or 10 seconds delay. Now just grab a photo and wait till it's done. And that's it. After a selected time, the photo will be grabbed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z and let me show you how to clear credentials. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and privacy, scroll to the bottom of the list and enroll more security and privacy settings. Here click on credential storage and mark remove all user certificates, tap on OK to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Good morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So first of all, open the browser that you are using. Now mark more icon and select delete browsing data. And now go straight to more options. Here you can customize it fully. At first, mark all info that you wish to get rid of, then choose the time range, tap on delete data, and that's it. You've just removed your browsing history. If you want to check it, just open it one more time and redo it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select Google. Now here's our tricky part. In order to check any password, you need to locate your manager. To do it, tap on All Services and scroll until you will find Autofill with Google section. Click on it, choose Google Password Manager, and finally tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Locating autocorrection can be difficult, but all you need to do is follow all of those steps because I tested it before and I can assure you we'll find it. Hit System and Update here. Then Keyboard and Input Method. Manage keyboards under Current Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now you can finally hit Text Correction and scroll to use this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you can switch it off or on. If you decided to enable it, you can also click on this switcher next to Undo Autocorrect on Backspace to try this feature and make autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Oppo Reno8 Z. Alright, so first we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and we need to click on the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down and click on Chat Backup. Okay. And now, under the Google account, we have the Google account that we are currently logged into. This account is currently selected, which means that on this account, the WhatsApp backup will be saved and stored. So, for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here, that you have basically selected. Of course, you can click on Add Account to add another one and select it right in here. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we can select the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when it's a backup. That means that, currently I set on the monthly, and that means that each month the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to remember about making it manually. So it's pretty convenient and comfortable feature. So if you want, you can pick between one of those modes. We can also enable to include the videos in our backup, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you'll create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. but be aware that if you lose this password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget it. Now, make sure that you have some free Google storage space and hit backup. Now the process will start. Okay, and that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to change phone ringtone. So, at first open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration. Here, go to ringtone and pick the album from which you want to select this tune. Now choose it from the list, go back, and that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it is already set. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. To clone apps on this Oppo, you don't need any special tricks, you don't need to download any special apps or anything like that, just few simple steps. That's because your Oppo is supporting app cloner that's locating in settings. And now I will show you exactly how to use it. Hit settings, scroll and tap on apps. Then tap on app cloner over here and either click on one of your recommended apps or select other apps to pick any of those you wish to clone. After you decided, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone to activate it. Then manage those two options. You can rename your app, your cloned app actually, however you want to, and hit Save to save its new name. Then tap on Default App to open and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you finished, you can go back. So now when I check, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. To get rid of this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and use now blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Good morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to close all running apps. So basically all you have to do is to click on these three horizontal lines. Now you've got all apps that are currently active. To switch them all off, just mark close all. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening settings and hitting connection and sharing right away. Now tap on print and tap on default print service right away. But if you want to, you can also hit add print service instead. Download any from your Play Store and wait for it to be ready. It will appear over here and you'll be able to use it the same way as the default one. So wherever print service you will decide to use, click on it and tap on gray switcher to activate it. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip though, if you still can't connect, you can use this plus icon at the top right corner. Tap on search by IP address and input it here to connect manually. Then hit add. Or if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, click search over here. Select allow in the pop-up if you never used it before, and go in a second one if your location is disabled. Enable it thanks to this switcher next to use location feature. Go back, hit search again and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Bluetooth right away. Now tap on gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Now click on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable this option. Most people sometimes forget about, but it's really important, especially if you don't want to allow the other device to access those informations. Either way, hit pair to continue. And if the other device is a smartphone or a tablet, you need to wait for it to accept your connection request. If it's, for example, speaker, it should connect automatically after you tap on pair. Either way, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, tap on this icon right next to your paired device and hit unpair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on Oppo Reno8 Z. Okay, so to create a backup we need to open up the settings. We need to scroll down until we find the additional settings. Scroll again and click on backup and reset. And let's create a Google backup because it's the best option. Now under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. We need to remember the password to this account because if we want to restore our backup in the future, we will need to be logged into the same Google account on which we made it. So that's the account. Also, if you don't know how to restore the Google backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can look for it. Also, make sure that backup by Google One is enabled. And below we can see the backup details. Here's the list of things that will be backuped. Now, hit backup now. And now, within a few seconds, a thin bar should appear under the backup word. Okay, here it is, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. And basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. As a confirmation, we'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backupped, and also we will see it under the backup by Google One sentence. So I'll see you once the backup is done. Okay, the data has been successfully backupped. In here we can also see a confirmation how long ago it was, and I should take a look and compare the hours. It was like 2 seconds ago. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. If you recently updated your password in any app and you have this password saved in old version in your manager, don't worry. The most important thing now is to locate Google Password Manager, which is a bit tricky. I will show you exactly how to do it though. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on Google. Now hit All Services here. Scroll again and this time tap on Autofill with Google. Select Google Password Manager. Tap on any password you wish to edit, and after entering your screen lock, hit Edit button to make your changes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. To be sure your password was updated, you can check it out after saving it by tapping on this eye icon right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Good morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to apply night mode. So at first, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here just mark dark mode. And that's it, that will be all. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Good morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to activate OTG Connection. So at first, open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll down, and here you will notice OTG Connection, which is on the go. So once you want to turn it on, just mark the switcher. From now on it is active, and then you can switch it off smoothly by unmarking this indicator, or still you can leave it active and then it will be turned off automatically once not in use for 10 minutes. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit Sounds and Vibration. Now hit Ring at the top on the left and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. Then select Vibrate at the top in the middle. If you want to disable sound completely, leaving only haptic feedback. When you're done, scroll all the way down and hit Haptics at the very bottom. Then use the switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Good morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select additional settings. Here you will notice language and region, just mark it, and now select edit. Pick the language that you want to use your device in, tap on yes to set it as your system language, go back, and as you can see, it is already applied. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, click on Wallpapers, and now just pick the one that you like the most. So just scroll through all of them. You can also open your photo album and add your picture, your own photo to as wallpaper. But let me pick one from default pictures. Maybe this one. Now select apply to, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, carousel wallpaper, home screen, or both home and lock screens. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see from now on, this photo is assigned to both home and lock screen on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to change screen timeout. So at first, find and enroll settings. Now go to display and brightness, and here locate auto screen off. Now select the period of time after which you want your display to fall asleep, and that's it. Right after you mark it, it is applied. As you can see, in my case, it's 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device. It's my favorite one to manage all of my downloads, because all you need to do is tap on it. Hit continue in the pop-up if you never used it before, and last but not least, hit downloads category. As you can see, all my downloads are here. To access one, just click on it. To manage one, tap on 3 dots right next to it and tap on whatever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Oppo Reno8 Z. Okay, so all we need to do to reboot this device is to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button, just like that. Now simply drag this white ball into the restart and release your finger. Now, within a few seconds, the device will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds. First of all, you need to find Oppo's Recorder app. It will be in Tools folder. Click on it when you find it and tap on Allow or Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Then to finally start, use this button at the bottom. And wait! As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the bottom left corner. To add a photo mark, at the bottom right one. Take a pic. And then discard it thanks to this X, or save it thanks to this checkmark. Now, to get rid of your recording right away, you can always select Cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice. To end it and save it though, hit Save at the top right one. Then name it and hit Save here. Finally, to play your recording, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. You can manage those. Tap on Done to save all of your changes. And also click on those 3 dots at the top right corner to access even more. But you can also go back and hold any recording on the list to manage those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings to scroll all the way down and hit Google. Now tap on All Services here. Scroll to click on Autofill with Google section and tap on Google Password Manager. Now you can finally click on any password you wish to get rid of from your manager. Don't worry, your account will be completely safe. Enter your screen lock and tap on Delete option twice. Once over here next to Edit, and the second time in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
Good morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll down and mark backup and reset. Here go to Reset Phone, and now mark reset all settings. Confirm by tapping on reset all settings. One more time click on reset all settings to confirm that you're aware that you will lose all setup on your device. If you do have kind of lock screen password, pattern, fingerprint, whatever, you will have to provide it before removal of all data. So that's it. As you can see, system settings have been reset. You can even notice it on the DIMM. It has been already switched to classic one, and all the setup has been also removed. So now just customize your phone from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Hello everyone, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So at first, open your camera app. Now enroll more options here and go to settings. Then scroll all the way down and mark restore defaults. And just confirm it by tapping on restore, and that's it. From now on, you can set up your camera from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Good morning guys, and in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to reset network settings. So first of all, locate and open the settings. Then find and select additional settings, pick backup and reset, and here go to reset phone. Now you will notice reset network and Bluetooth settings, just mark it, and if you truly want to do it, just click on reset to confirm. If you do have some lock screen password, pattern, fingerprint, you will have to provide it before resetting. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Oppo Reno8 Z. Okay, so we have two methods how we can do it. We can reset our device through the settings, that's the recommended method when we have access to the phone and when the phone works normally, or also we can perform the factory reset using the recovery mode. This method is recommended when the phone is lagged, frozen, and basically when we cannot perform the first method. So let's begin. Open up the settings, scroll down, and find the additional settings. Scroll down again and find Backup and Reset. Now click on Reset and Phone. Besides, we can also in here reset network settings and reset all settings, but we are interested in the last option, Erase All Data. Simply click on that. After that, your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. That's the first method. Now let's go with the second one. To enter the recovery mode, we need to power off our device, click power button and volume up to launch the power menu, and select the power off. Okay, and now we need to hold the power button and volume down button to launch the recovery mode. We need to keep holding. When Oppo logo appears, we can release the finger from the power button, and we need to hold the volume down. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. Select your language. Now select Format Data. Type this code using your keyboard. And click on Format. Click on OK. And now the device will be automatically turned on. And the next thing we need to do is to again set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Oppo Reno8 Z. Alright, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first method is a simple reboot using the power menu, and second is a forced restart. Let's begin with the reboot through the power menu. To do it, we need to click the power button and the volume up button. Now simply drag this white ball into the restart, release your finger, and after a few seconds, the device will be turned on and ready to use. The forced restart is recommended, for example, when the phone is unresponsive, when it's lagged, basically when it's not working properly, and when we cannot do anything. To perform a forced restart, we need to hold the power button and volume up button until the phone shuts down. So we need to keep holding both of the buttons. Okay, and when the phone vibrates, we can release our finger, and within a second, the device will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on Oppo Reno8 Z. Okay, so first I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device into your Oppo. And as a second method, I'll show you how to restore backup from the Google one. So let's begin with the first method. As you can see, we are doing the setup process. In here we can transfer our data. So first select your language, then the region. We need to agree to above terms. And not all of them, only those first from above are necessary. Then click on next. You can also insert your SIM card right now. Then click on next. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Just give me a second. Okay. Just like that. Now, click on next. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now when you have the option to copy out send data, you need to click on next. Use another device, click on next. If you have a cable, you can plug in both devices to each other, but in my case it requires USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't have a cable like that, so I'll select no cable and we can copy without it. Okay, now click on next. Okay, now on our second device, we need to open up the Google app. Click on next, and then we need to type set up my device, or we can use the voice command. Just like that. Click on next on your old device. Now it's searching for nearby devices. Okay, I think they should connect. Okay, verify the shapes. If they are the same, click on next. Click on copy on your old device. Okay, and now type. We need to type the password to our account on we were logged in on our previous device. Okay, then hit on next. Okay, and now we need to choose what we want to copy from our previous device, of course. Select everything that you want. In my case, I want everything except the apps, and now we can click on copy. Now the process will start. Click on got it. And now we have the Google services. They're really useful, so I always keep them enabled. Scroll down and click on accept. Okay, and now we have the basic setup process. In here we can set the unlock method. It's not necessary, so we can click on skip and do it later in the settings. Now we have a question, do we want to continue the setup? Let's click on continue, but if you want, you can always click on leave and get a reminder. And now we have a possibility to get access into our assistant by simply saying, hey Google. I think I can enable it because it's a really convenient and comfortable feature and comfortable way to launch the digital assistant. But of course, everything is up to you. In here, if you want, you can add another email account or review additional apps. I'll just click on no thanks. Okay, now we need to wait until the copying process is finished. It won't take long. Okay, copying is done. We can click on close on our previous device. In here, we can click on done. Now we need to wait. Select your navigation method. It can be gestures or the buttons. Click on next. Click on done. Now get started. And now we are ready to use our device. Also, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the things might still be installed from the Play Store. So wait until everything gets downloaded and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Alright, so that was the first method, and now let's go straight into the second one, which, like I have said in the beginning, will be how to restore the backup from the Google one. Okay, so now let's go with the second method. Again, we are doing the setup process. Now click on next. But now this time we need to click that we cannot use other device. Click on OK. Okay, and now we need to log in into our Google account on which we made the backup before. It's really important, because if we log in now into wrong Google account, we won't be able to restore the chats. Also, if you don't know how to create a Google backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it on this device. So if you want, you can look for it. So now we need to type the mail. Okay, now we need to type the password. and click on next. Click on next. Click on agree. Okay, and now we need to select the backup that we want to restore. So select the backup that you want. Okay, I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. And now choose what you want to restore. Once you have selected everything that you want, hit restore button. Okay, now you have the Google services. Click on accept. Select your default search engine. I'll pick the Google. Click on next. And now we can select the unlock method. I'll skip it because we can always do it later in the settings. Okay, now we have a question: do we want to continue the setup or leave and get a reminder? I'll click on continue. And here scroll down and you can agree to launch the digital assistant by saying, hey Google. I'll agree to that because why not? And now we can also allow our assistant on lock screen. Okay. Okay, now select your navigation method. It can be buttons or the gestures. I'll always pick the buttons. Now, click on Done. Click on Get Started. Alright, and now we are ready to use our device. Don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, just like I was saying in the previous method, because some of the things might still be installed from the Play Store. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Oppo Reno8 Z. Okay, but before we begin, let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down into the Google. And let's make sure that in here we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup. It is really important because if you're logged into other Google account, there's a chance that you won't be able to restore your chats. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can look for it. Now, once we are logged into proper account, let's open up our WhatsApp. It is necessary that you can do it when your WhatsApp was uninstalled and when you have installed it recently. So basically during the setup process. And now we need to type our phone number right in here in this bar. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click on what's my number and it will be automatically copied. That's what I'm going to do right now. Also, we need to select a verification method. You can use the missed call or, for example, the code from the SMS message as a verification method. Okay, you just need to give me a second. Okay, once you have verified your phone number, something like that should appear. Contacts in media. Click on continue. Now click on allow, allow, and allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see the date when the last backup was made. We can also see its size and the account on which we made it. And it's the same Google account that I was showing you before in my settings. So now we need to click on restore. Remember that if you don't do it now, there's a chance that you won't be able to do it later. So I suggest you should do this immediately. Okay, so now the process is running. We need to wait a little bit until it's finished. In my case, it shouldn't take that long because I don't have that many messages. Alright, 18 messages restored. Click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo. then click Next. And now everything has been successfully restored. The media didn't restored yet because I have low battery, so that is why it doesn't want to restore. But if you have enough battery, everything will go just fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by clicking on Photos app and deciding if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Albums section at the bottom. It's actually a huge difference. Let's start with Photos. Hold one and select multiple by tapping on those icons at the top right corners. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. So when I do that, and hit Delete, I can see that all of my pictures were successfully deleted. If you want to delete your photos from Albums section, click on it, pick your album and hold one of your pictures. This time though, all you need to do is tap on Select All at the top right corner, tap on photos you wanna keep, and get rid of the rest by tapping Delete at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by locating and opening Clock app that's already on your device. Now hit Alarm at the bottom left corner. And to create a new one, tap on plus icon at the bottom in the middle. Now you can finally adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then pick one of those repeat options. Ring once, work. Pro tip, you can adjust each day however you want to and save your changes by tapping OK in each pop-up. And my favorite, custom. Here you can pick days of the week manually by tapping on them. Now click on alarm name to name it if you want and hit Ringtone. Over here, you can pick one of those default options or one of those system ones. My personal favorite is weather though. If you want to set it up, tap on it and click on weather here. This feature is actually called Weather Adaptive, and thanks to it, your alarm ringtone will change each day based on the weather. Sunny, cloudy, stormy, snowy, and I think one more. Rainy, stormy, and windy, so even more than one. You can also hit on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone to set it up instead. Go back, click on this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or on, and tap on snooze. Now you can turn it on or off thanks to this switcher, and also adjust it by picking how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished, go back. Now to save your new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it and tap on whatever you want to in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make some changes and tap on Done at the top right corner. If you want to get rid of it, hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Reno8 Z to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now click on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in a second one. Now you can pick whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now my favorite part, we can finally start. Firstly, hit send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Oppo, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Quick tip: if you see this white pop-up and you decided to transfer any app, just tap on OK to continue. Now hit got it in here's some tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. And allow camera access to point your camera at the code. If you want to input this key, just hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers before they expire and hit Receive button to connect. Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it's turned white. That means that location is disabled. To enable it, tap on the same shortcut until it's blue. Personally, that's my favorite way to manage location because it's fast. But if you have a bit more time, you can always go into settings, scroll to hit location here, and manage it thanks to this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. If you want to enable and use voice typing on this Oppo, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to do it. Start by launching Gboard. Now, first common issue is microphone icon being invisible. If you can't see it at the top right corner of your keyboard, click on this gear instead and select voice typing. Then hit gray switcher to activate it and go back to finally click on it. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Now, my favorite option, you can also click on your microphone and when it's on, tap on tiny icon that appears right next to it on the left. Now you can use voice typing from this toolbar. Operate microphone the same way. Hold your toolbar and move it around to place it wherever you want to. Click on this button with an X to delete text on the go. Those three lines to manage typing options and some Gboard options. And last but not least, this keyboard icon to go back to standard one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! In front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now select System and Update. Finally, hit Keyboard and Input Method to continue. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Now finally, after locating text correction settings, you can click on them and tap on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So once your device is stuck for some unknown reason, all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button. Just tap and hold. Keep holding for around 10 seconds. Once you feel a smooth vibration, you can remove fingers from both buttons. You will also notice the logo on your home screen. Now just wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.